Les adjectifs interrogatifs. Les adjectifs interrogatifs. It means interrogative adjectives. We have 4 of them, but they sound the same. You will say quel. Sounds completely the same, but it's written differently. Quel with one L, masculine singular. Quel, double L-E, feminine singular. Quel, L-S, masculine plural. Quel, double L-E-S, feminine plural. Now, these cases are what or which. What or which. Now, on the first one, we can say quel stylo. It means which pen. On the second one, we can say quelle fille, who will mean which girl or which daughter. Masculin plural, quel livre. Which books, plurality. Feminine plural, quelle maison. It will mean which houses. Okay? 4 of them, they are just there to question. And 4 of them sounds the same, just different while writing. Make sure they are adjectives, means they need to take the gender and the number of the noun. Okay? All right.